everybody, this is a short demonstration. My name's Rob from Meon, and I'm going to be demonstrating the UltraCrack L270. It's the actual mixing that I'm showing you and the application. So in the 9 kg tub, we have 2 tubs of bauxite anti-skid, 1 measuring jug, 1 little medicine 30ml pot. We also have 1 bag of accelerator, and then we have the 9 kg MMA resin. With the MMA resin, just pop the tin open, you get a drill. Where it's settled, it'll be quite thick. What we do then is we just mix it nice and slowly, getting all the contents mixed right in, roughly for about a minute, and it'll all be nice and mixed. I'm then going to clean this off in the UltraClean X795. As you can see, it's all very clean. What we do now, we get the spare bag of accelerator. If you were to use the whole tub, you would put a whole bag in. It's recommended you just do it by the jug to start with. And all we do, we get the 30ml medicine pot and fill it to the top. We pour the MMA resin into the jug. Just shy of being full. Got a mixing paddle. We put the whole amount of powder into the jug and just give it a good stir. We stir it until we can't see any more of the powder to make sure it's thoroughly mixed in. What we would do then, identify the crack. By using your shoe, you would then pour the jug of MMA resin into the shoe and then pull the shoe and repair the crack. Once you've done that, you can either leave it as it is, or you can put the bauxite anti-skid all over the actual resin itself.